I guess it's no secret that I've become very fond of this particular shape. It's a Danish egg, um, sort of canted the top of the bowl uh, to give it a forward-looking thrust. These pipes are very comfortable, very light. It's about a 5 inch, it is in fact a 5 inch long pipe. It's 1.2 ounces, but they've got very good balance. Um, you've got a 1.5 inch deep chamber and a 20 millimeter diameter bore. I just love how the grain looks when it's blasted away like that. You get in and find those little nooks and crannies and stuff. Kind of a craggy look. It's got a contrast dye. It's uh, light brown over jet black. So you'll find this on my website, www.pbhbp.com. And you'll have a great day. Thanks for watching.